Most people know their blood type, A, B, AB, or O. Maybe positive, maybe negative. But what if I told you that your blood type might affect far more than what happens during a blood transfusion? It can influence who can donate blood to you, who you can donate blood to, how common your blood is, and even how attractive you are to mosquitoes. And some blood types are so rare that only a handful of people on Earth have them. Let's start with the basics. Your blood type is determined by tiny markers found on the surface of your red blood cells. Think of these markers like ID badges. If your blood cells carry A markers, you're type A. If they carry B markers, you're type B. If they carry both, you're AB. And if they carry neither, you're O. Simple enough. But your immune system pays very close attention to these badges. If the wrong blood enters your body, your immune system can treat it like an invader and attack it. That's why matching blood types is so important during transfusions. Now here's where things get interesting. Type O blood is the most common blood type in many parts of the world, and O negative is often called the universal donor. Because in emergencies, O-negative blood can usually be given to almost anyone. That's why hospitals are always looking for O-negative donors. On the opposite side is AB positive. People with AB positive blood are often called universal recipients. They can receive blood from almost any blood type. It's like having a VIP pass for blood transfusions. But while some blood types are common, others are incredibly rare. One of the rarest is called Rh-null. Scientists sometimes call it golden blood. Why? Because fewer than 100 people on Earth are known to have it. Most people have dozens of different markers on their red blood cells. People with Rh-null are missing all of the markers from the Rh blood group system. It's so rare that finding a matching donor can be extremely difficult. Imagine needing a blood transfusion and only a tiny number of people on the entire planet could safely donate to you. That's the reality for people with golden blood. And then there are even rarer combinations hidden within hundreds of lesser-known blood group systems that most people have never heard of. In fact, scientists have identified more than 40 major blood group systems and hundreds of individual blood markers. The ABO system is only part of the story. But here's the question you've probably never asked. Can mosquitoes tell the difference between blood types? Surprisingly, yes. Several studies have found that mosquitoes appear to prefer some blood types over others. Type O individuals often receive significantly more mosquito bites than people with type A blood. Scientists believe mosquitoes detect chemical signals released through the skin. Your blood type influences some of those signals. To a mosquito, you might smell more appealing simply because of the molecules your body produces. Imagine walking past two restaurants. One smells amazing, one doesn't. You're probably choosing the one that smells better. Mosquitoes seem to make similar choices. Unfortunately for some people, their blood type may place them higher on the menu. Of course, blood type isn't the only factor. Body heat, sweat, carbon dioxide, skin bacteria, and genetics all play major roles too. That's why some people get bitten constantly, while others seem almost invisible to mosquitoes. Now you might be wondering if blood type affects personality. After all, in some countries, people treat blood types almost like zodiac signs. Type A people are said to be organized. Type B people are said to be creative. Type O people are said to be confident. Type AB people are said to be unique. The problem? Science hasn't found strong evidence that blood type determines personality. Your blood type affects your blood, not your character. But researchers are studying other possible links. Some blood types appear to have slightly different risks for certain diseases. Others may affect how the body responds to infections. Scientists are still trying to understand exactly why. What's fascinating is that something as simple as a few molecules attached to a red blood cell can have effects that ripple through medicine, evolution, and even the behavior of insects. Every second, millions of red blood cells are flowing through your body, each one carrying oxygen, each one carrying tiny biological labels that help make your blood uniquely yours. Whether you're O, A, B, AB, positive, negative, or one of the world's rarest blood types, those microscopic markers tell a story that has been passed down through generations. A story written into your biology long before you were born. And every drop of blood in your body carries it.